Hi everyone. Imagine creating a book from scratch using AI, handling everything from generating ideas to designing the cover, writing the content, and even formatting the pages, all without prior experience in writing or design. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to create a professional quality book using AI and publish it on platforms like Amazon KDP to start generating income. Let's jump right into the 6 steps to writing a book with AI. Your first step is to identify a book topic with high demand. A strong topic ensures your book has a solid market and sales potential. Method 1. Use Amazon bestsellers. 1. Visit the Amazon bestsellers page and navigate to books. 2. Select a category that interests you, like health, fitness, and dieting. 3. Browse the best-selling books for inspiration. Method 2. Analyze book performance with tools. 1. Install a Chrome extension, link provided in the video, to analyze sales data. 2. Search for your chosen topic on Amazon. 3. Use the tool to view rankings, estimated orders, and revenue for books in your niche. Compare these metrics across different books to validate your topic's potential. Once you've chosen a topic, use AI to brainstorm specific ideas, writing styles, and even catchy titles. How to do this? 1. Use GravityWrite, link provided in the video. 2. Enter a brief description of your book, like simple tips and quick recipes for health and fitness. 3. Choose the category, fiction or non-fiction. 4. Click Create Content to generate a detailed book concept, suggested genres and writing styles, title ideas. A compelling book cover can make or break your book's success. Use AI to design an eye-catching cover quickly. Steps to create a cover image. 1. Open the book cover image generator in GravityWrite. 2. Input the title of your book, the main idea or concept, the author's name. 3. Generate a set of prompts describing possible cover designs. 4. Copy one of the prompts and paste it into an AI image generator, e.g., DALL-E. 5. Customize settings like aspect ratio, style, and quality. 6. Download your generated cover. Organizing your book into a structured outline is crucial for a smooth writing process. Steps to create an outline. 1. Use the outline generator in GravityWrite. 2. Specify the number of chapters, e.g., 20. 3. Input the book title, the main idea. 4. Generate a chapter-by-chapter outline with detailed subtopics for each section. Now it's time to bring your book to life. Using AI tools, you can quickly generate high-quality content. Steps to write the content. 1. Use the Chapter Writer tool in GravityWrite. 2. Input your book's title, the outline, copy-paste chapter headings from the outline generator. 3. Generate content one chapter at a time. 4. Copy the content into a Google Doc or Word file for easy editing. Tips for polishing your book. Proofread the AI-generated content to ensure clarity and accuracy. Add your unique voice and insights for a personal touch. Format chapter titles and headings using the Heading 1 style to make formatting easier later. Proper formatting ensures your book looks professional and is ready for publication. Steps to format your book. 1. Use a formatting tool, link provided in the video. 2. Sign up and create a new project. 3. Upload your book's content document, the cover image. 4. Choose formatting options. Page size, color, and templates. Chapter and page number placement. 5. Include additional pages like title page, copyright information, table of contents. 6. Preview and download the formatted PDF. To make your book more engaging, consider converting it into a digital flipbook. Steps to create a flipbook. 1. Use the provided link to access a flipbook creation tool. 2. Drag and drop your book's PDF into the platform. 3. Generate a flipbook with animated page-turning effects. 4. Share the flipbook via a link with friends, family, or potential readers. Showcase your book on a personal website to attract more readers. With tools like Webspace Kit, you can create a stunning website without coding skills. Features include drag-and-drop builders, free themes and plugins, a free domain with discounts. With the help of AI, creating a book in 2024 is easier than ever. Here's a quick recap of the process. 1. Find a high-performing topic using Amazon and AI tools. 2. Generate ideas with tools like GravityWrite. 3. Design a cover using AI image generators. 4. Create an outline to structure your book. 5. Write the content chapter by chapter with AI assistance. 6. Format the book for professional presentation. 7. Bonus, convert it into an interactive flipbook or showcase it on a personal website. Whether you want to self-publish on Amazon KDP or create a unique gift for your loved ones, AI tools can simplify the entire process. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, subscribe to watch videos next. See you.